This is so incredibly frustrating. We've lost all competitiveness. You just have to listen to me. I will have found a different way of managing those issues. Now it's just undrivable. It's a miracle if we finish on the podium.
At P12. Charge on, and difficult to pass there with the DRS. Pick up, please. And 3 out of the pace was very good.
Really sorry about this weekend, guys. We're losing you points.
Yes. Mega job, mate. Mega job.
Lovely. Good racing. Good strategy. Good call. Well thought. Thank you, guys.
McLaren's Lando Norris secured victory after defeating his teammate, Oscar Piastri, who finished second. Meanwhile, Mercedes' George Russell secured the final podium spot in third. Charles Leclerc, who started the race from pole position, had to settle for fourth after being overtaken by Russell near the end of the race. Max Verstappen had a difficult day and could only finish ninth. Thank you for watching, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.